So hello everyone. So in this video we are going to implement the constructor injection, setter injection, method injection using a car and engine example. So first we have to create a Spring application where you have to choose the project, language and the name you need and all these dependencies. So I have already made all of those. So next we have to create a model folder, a config folder. In the model we have to create an engine Java, car Java, and in the config app config.java. So I will come here. So we don't need the controller. So we need a app config.java, and in the model we need car.java and the engine.java. So after creating this, we have to write all those codes. So in the engine.java, we'll write this. I'll just copy this. So in this, we have created a method start where it returns engine started. So in the car.java, we are going to add this where we are going to inject inject the settler method and the constructor and the method. So we'll take an object, we'll create an object of the engine. We'll create a method here where we'll we'll call the constructor. So engine. So we are going to create a setter method using the engine object, start engine equal to engine, and we are going to inject a method, the one we did in the engine.java, the start one. So it will display driving with and the engine.start. Same here shows the engine, just calls the start function. Next in the app configuration, I'll copy this and this go to this here. So as you can see, we have declared this as a configuration and a bean called here, bean annotations, and we have this engine from the engine model. We have created this method here, engine, and a car method here, where we have called the engine object. Next, we have to edit the demo application. So I'll just copy this and paste it here. And save all this. So the port is busy here. So let's try changing it. One. So the 808 is busy too. Let's check this one. So it is running 802. As you can see here, it shows engine started, driving with engine. Let's see. So it doesn't show anything here. It just shows all this in the, as you can see, in the console. The engine started going with the engine and all of that. So this is it for the video. Thank you for watching.